Alright guys, welcome to another in the series. Today I'll be doing a few past paper questions for you. Hope everybody alright and all that. Big up yourself. So the first one says evaluate 73.18 minus 5.23 times 9.34. Now this may seem very simple. It is if you remember the Bundas rule. So we must multiply first. So calculator is allowed because this is paper 2. So we're going to multiply 5.23 times 9.34. And that gives us 48.8482. And then we subtract last. So let us subtract 73.18 minus 48.8482. That gives us 24.3313. Now they ask for two decimal places, so it would be 24.33. That would be our answer. And that is 2 marks. Alright, down to this now. 3.1 squared divided by 6.17 plus 1.12. Again, we have to square first according to the Bundas rule. And remember, this line means divide, so we have to square first. So square means 3.1 times 3.1. So let us do it step by step. 3.1 times 3.1. I already put it in my calculator. That's 9.61. Then we divide 9.61 by 617. Let's see what we get now. Divided by 6.17. That's 1.5575. And then we add 1.12. Guys, again, you can just use your calculator because this is paper 2. You don't need to play 0 and get 0. Alright? Just use the calculator. And by now, everyone should have invested in a calculator. So we get 2.6775. Alright. Next one says solve 3 over 2 y is equal to 12. Now all we have to do is basically transpose. So this, whatever is dividing, we're going to multiply. So we'll get rid of this 2. So it will be really step by step. But some people still probably new to the channel. So I don't want to rush it or anything. So let us do it step by step. So we divide by 2. What you do to one side, you do to both sides. Now this is saying 3 times y, so we divide by, so we're left with this. 3y is equal to 12 times 2. So what we have to do is to divide by 3. So then we can solve for y. 2 times that will be 24 divided by 3. So therefore y, 3 into that goes 8 times. That would be your answer. Alright, this one say factorize 1 minus 4h squared. Now, as I showed you earlier, you can just simplify the square root of this and the square root of that. The tricky thing is this one with the negative, so it will be 1, right? Plus the square root of 4h squared will be 2h because we multiply 2h by it, and 1 will be minus. So they just kind of flip it around. I like that idea that CSEC used. It was a very good idea to flip it around and see if guys are really thinking. Alright, this one, it says factorize also, so we can just put a bracket because q is common here and 3 is common there. So we get this p, look at us rewrite it so people can actually see it. So pq minus q squared. I'm strapped for space, you know, guys. Minus 3p plus 3q. Now q is common, so we take out q. q into that leave p, q squared divided by q leave q. Alright, put the minus. What's common? 3. Alright, so we take out the 3. 3 into that will leave p. Because this is a negative, we divide positive 3q by negative 3. We get a negative q. So we take out this that is common to both brackets, p minus q. P minus q. And then we put what outside? This is q minus 3. And that will be your answer. Alright, this one says find the value of f if m is equal to 3, u is equal to minus 1, and v is equal to 2, and t is equal to 1. So many answers there. I lose it, guys. It's been a rough day for me, tired, but I don't know if I have to keep up the work. So now we're just gonna substitute the values and solve, right? What is m? M is 3, so we put 3 there. V is 2. Put the minus u, which is minus 1, over t, which is 1. Now this in the bracket here is a trick. When two negatives times each other, we get a positive, so it will be 2 plus 1 over 1. So this is big. We work out what's in the bracket. That will give us 3 times 3 divided by 1. So that is equal to 9 over 1. That is equal to 9. Alright guys, remember to share with your friends who might need help. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Mr. Bennett is out. Alright, God bless you all. Keep safe.